While Power Pages lets you give external stakeholders self-serve access to data from your business systems, obviously, you want to control that access. To do that, we'll set up admin permissions in the Design Studio. All Power Pages user information is stored in your Dataverse contact records. There may be existing contacts from your business apps, or you can allow stakeholders to register online. External stakeholders will get an invitation to register on a site which will associate their contact information to an authentication provider, like Azure AD B2C, like this. Once authenticated, they'll have access to all resources linked to authenticated users' web role. See? An administrator can assign a contact to whatever web roles they want in order to give them access to the appropriate information. But remember, table permissions will only provide privileges to Dataverse data based on the data relationship.